Hello students, this video is for the students of plus 2 class having IB subject who will give exam on 7 July 2020. We are planning to daily cover one sample paper to score you 100 out of 100 in board exams. So let's start. Question first, A part, difference between list and array. Students, there are four differences between lists and arrays. First one, list may contain elements of heterogeneous type, that is elements may be of different data types, but array only contains all elements of homogeneous data type, that is same data type. Second one, array occupies much less space than list. Storage space of arrays are much less. Third point, we cannot change the size of an array after creating array, but in case of list we can also add or remove elements after the list creation. Fourth point, list does not support vectorized operation but array supports. Next question, what is the output of following code? Also give explanation. Here a list is given and you have top 3 from the list. Now students are confused whether element 3, that is value 3, will be removed or the value at index 3 will be removed. Students, there are two functions, pop function and remove function to delete. Remove always deletes the value given and pop always removes the value at given index. So here answer will be 3. Next question, name the Python library modules which need to be imported to invoke the following function: from ITR and data frame. This is the array creation function available in NumPy module and this is available in Pandas module used to create data frame. Next question, question first, D part. Here are 3 functions given and you have to give the output. Students, you are very well aware regarding the power function but with only 2 arguments. Here it is given 3 arguments. Now let's see the answer. If you will use the power function of math module, then it can't accept 3 arguments and answer will be error. If you will give the 3 arguments in built-in function of Python, that is POW, then it will give 3 answer. How this 3 will come out? It will calculate 2 raised to power 3 and then it will divide it by 5 and give the remainder at output. So 2 raised to power 3 will be 8, then you will divide it by 5 and remainder will be 3 and that 3 will be answer. Next, 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 2. In this question many students are confused whether it have to execute 4 to the power 3 or to the power 8, because whether this right part has to be executed first or this left part has to be executed first. So students, this function will be executed from right side and answer will be 256. Which type of chart can only plot a single data series? Name the functions used for it. Students, there are many functions to create the charts such as line chart, bar chart, scatter chart, but pie function is used to plot only a single data series. All others need 2 data series. So answer is pie chart can only be used and function used is pie. Next question. Question first F part. What is the relation between rank and shape of an array? Students, relation is rank is equal to length of shape. Now let's recall the definition. Shape tells the number of elements along each axis. That is, if you will give the print command array name dot shape, then if the array is having 4 rows and 5 columns, it will show 4, 5 in a tuple form. But rank tells about how many axes it have. Example, if you want to find the rank, then you have to write length of array name dot shape, then it will give 2 because there are only 2 axes. Next question, explain the use of ligand in your chart. Ligand is used to show the ligand, that is symbols used. Now the code I have written here to explain you the concept of ligand. Suppose you are writing import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, then you are creating 3 arrays and you are plotting the line chart and you have written plt.plot a, b labels equal to series 1. Now what is this series 1? This series 1 is this one. If you will give the series 2 label for plotting the chart between A and C, this is the series 2 label, this one. So if you are showing the plt.legend to show the legend, then it will show in this way. It is basically the symbols used to represent. So students, stay safe at home but keep studying. Thanks and have a nice day.